Right now, we're seeing a significant drop in sentiment for the defense sector, sitting at -0.17, while momentum is on the rise at +0.31. This decoupling is unusual. Typically, a positive momentum would correlate with an uptick in sentiment. This divergence might indicate underlying concerns that aren't reflected in the current market activity. Our API provides you with a structured output including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of public perception. For example, you can use this data to enhance your trading strategy or risk assessment models by integrating these insights into your decision-making process. Stay ahead of the curve and explore more at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.